Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to teach you about medical astrology part 2. So, before beginning, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section, okay? And yes, please do like and follow my Facebook community page, Parikshit Astrology, where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So, let's begin. So mainly the different planets that represent different diseases. So mainly planet Sun represents heart, spine or right eye. So if your Sun is debilitated, weak or afflicted, then that shows that your right eye or spine, your heart might be having some problem. Now coming to the planet Moon. Now if planet Moon is weak, debilitated or afflicted, or if it is sitting in the 6th house, 8th house and 12th house, that too afflicted or debilitated, that shows that you might be having some lungs problem, breast problem or left eye problem. Now coming to the planet Mars. Now if Mars is afflicted, weak or if it is debilitated in your birth chart, or it is sitting in the 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, that too very weak especially, that shows that you might be having some bone problem or blood problem or even bile problem or surgeries you might be having or some operations you might be having. Now, if Mercury is afflicted, weak or debilitated, or if Mercury is sitting in the 6th house, 8th house or 12th house and that too especially very weak, that shows that you might be having some skin problems or nervous problem or neuro problems. Now, coming to the planet Jupiter. Now, what happens if Jupiter is weak or debilitated or afflicted, or if it is sitting in the 6th house, 8th house or 12th house? That shows that you might be having some kidney problem or kidney stones, or you might be having some problems in your thighs. Now, coming to the planet Venus. Now, if planet Venus is weak, debilitated or afflicted, or if it is sitting in the 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, that too in a especially very weak manner, that shows that you might be having some ovaries problem or you might be having some problems in reproductive part. Now, coming to the planet Saturn. Now, if Saturn is very weak or debilitated or afflicted, and if Saturn is also sitting in 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, that shows that you might be having some feet problems or knees problem or legs problem or bone marrow problem or any marrow problem, or you might be having tuberculosis also. Now, coming to planet Rahu. Now, what happens if Rahu is very weak or afflicted, or if it is placed in a very bad house or bad side? That shows that you might be having some leprosy problem or fever or cancer. Now, coming to the planet Ketu. Now, if Ketu is placed very badly in your horoscope, that shows that you might be having some surgeries or amputation or even BP, blood pressure or even allergies. Now, coming to the different combination of planets that represent different diseases. Now, if Saturn, Moon and Mars are conjuncted, that shows that you might be having asthma problem or pneumonia problem. Now, suppose, let's say for example, if Saturn is sitting in the 9th house and Moon is sitting in the 10th house and Mars is sitting in the 11th house, that shows that you might be having asthma problem or pneumonia problem. Now, if Saturn and Jupiter are conjuncted in any house, that shows that you might be having jaundice also, if it is not strong. Now, if Venus is weak or debilitated, that shows that you might be having sugar problems or impotency or pancreatic problems. Now, coming to the planet Mercury. So, if Mercury is also very badly placed, then neuro problems may appear. Now, if any planets placed in the Pisces zodiac sign or Scorpio zodiac sign or even Cancer zodiac sign, that shows that there might be chances of getting diabetes. Now, if Rahu is placed in the 4th house, that shows that you might get dryness in your chest, especially in the male chart, or breast, especially the female chart. Now, coming to the malefics placed in the 6th house or malefics aspect in the 6th house, that shows that you might get typhoid or intestine problems at some part of your lifetime. Now, if second house is very weak or afflicted, that shows that you might get fever, right eye problem. Now, coming to the houses which represents diseases or anything related to health problems from your ascendant. So, if your sixth house is very weak or debilitated, that shows that you might get some diseases, or during the sixth house Lord Dasha, you might get disease. Now, eighth house represents longevity. So, if your eighth house is very strong, that shows that you will live long. Now, coming to the 12th house, if your 12th house is weak, afflicted, that shows that you go to the hospital and there will be so much of loss and expenses also. Now, coming to the long-term and short-term diseases by different planets. So, long-term diseases by planets are Saturn, Rahu and Jupiter. Likewise, short-term disease by planets are Mercury, Moon and Mars. Now, during which dasha you will get diseases. So, during the dasha of planets sitting in the 6th house, 8th house and 12th house, or during the dasha of planets where the planets are afflicted or weak or debilitated, or during the 6th house Lord, 8th house Lord or 12th house Lord dasha. So, thank you.
This is it for today guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see in the next video, that is planet through Navamsa series in the 6th house of D9 chart or Navamsa chart. So, if you are taking consultancy, please do contact my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So, until unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.